beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Vlogmas day 15 already. Yo, the time I run fast, you know, man. Damn. Anyways, today I'm here with another prank phone. So I make a prank mommy today. If I tell you no make a prank mommy, or if we just get into the video.
Hello.
Mommy,
Yeah?
you happy?
But I'm happy. I'm alive and well.
I show you if you're happy, I'm happy too. So, I want to talk to you about something before Jason come home. Between me and you, I know I should have.
I'm in the back on the car. Where are you? Where are you?
Me dey on the call, you hear me and me hear you. You're not have to find him. So, me know me probably should have hide it from you, but you know me not gonna just tell you that because me just no one tell nobody. Me just want to keep it as a secret.
What?
Me, so me I see this guy in the overseas. He's Jamaican, but in the overseas. And me promise him say me would have spent Christmas Day with him. But then
Wait, hold on. Drop breaks. What do you mean spend Christmas Day with him? You live with somebody else? What do you mean? Me not get it. Oh, clear with me. They're watching news. I have perplexed me tranquility when I mean right now. We are talking about
Mommy. Mommy, just relax. Me I see the person and me want to spend Christmas with him and me need your help, basically. Me need your help.
Me don't drink that. It's not better.
Yes, yeah, my mother.
Hello, but find one next month to call. Don't be someone not going to do something now. They're Christian, they are serving life. You have 1 minute remaining on this call. Please.
Me call you on WhatsApp. Me have 1 minute.
Me don't want.
Yo, my mother, not afraid to put me in our place. Hold on there. When you hear how did you still embarrass me? You go call and continue and perfect, sir. Mommy, stop this so hard for me. Me need your help, mommy. Me need your help. As a daughter coming.
Me no business. Look at I love you like how Jesus love little children. Me not in big and nothing way wrong, good boy, you know.
Mommy, me gonna make your work easy and now I'm gonna tell much lie. You just a go
Me
say.
not telling no lie. Me not get out of me see me so. Me not telling no lie.
Guess I don't love me then.
Of course, me love you, but me don't love you to make you go cheat and go spend Christmas with other man. But you know easy.
Mommy, but just gonna spend New Year's with me and Boxing Day. I think you would have been more understanding towards my situation.
Look at man, that perplex me. Understanding both we go cheat and spend Christmas with other man.
Alright, forget. I'm not cheat, me I go cheat. I'm a friend.
Me not business, you could have cheat or not cheat. Me not business, you're not supposed to spend Christmas with no other man. People say time with family and all this something. In my family, in my other man. Me not be no yeah, come tell me about you know.
Mommy, this guy want me team mother-in-law and this is how you be.
What mother-in-law? Which mother-in-law? Well, I know which mother-in-law. Which one? I told mother-in-law you have. I told mother you have, you mean? Because I'm going to be some mother-in-law, yeah. Yeah, you see, they want to go to the next man for Christmas. You better let Jason. Left him.
But me love
Him say
Jason.
over and then you go. If I still left him and him say over and then you go look for another man. Anyway, Anyway, we don't talk about what do you want me to do? Because I want to know what I say. Because we really want to see how far you will go. Wow.
So, I want you to just act like say me help you Christmas Day. Like me help you do Christmas cleaning. Like me come help you fold up clothes or something. So me go just make Jason stay home and me go there over there with the guy. I go cook dinner for him.
You look like you drink mad one space. Over which part? Where? Over where? Over which part? My yard? My Christian yard? My yard? I live on the sinner yard. Wait, Google look like you're sick. Then I'm going to check you out, doctor. Can you force me sick? You should know me better. But I must joke, I make sense. I'm you just want to perplex me. I just want
Mommy, me not perplexed. I think you would understand, but everything good. That's how life go.
Google, because I love you like cook food, me not indulge in anything that is wrong. Jason is a nice person, I don't find no fault with him, and you cannot be dating two persons at the same time. You want, Google, you want somebody, and one body you got. The body is a temple of the Lord, they must treat it with respect. You can't make Tam, Dick and Harry come jump in and jump out.
Mommy, it would have, you see, you put words in my mouth, it would have been Tom, Dick, and Harry. It would have been Tom and Dick.
Me no business. But afterwards, I go reach Tom, Dick, and Harry, have just not Tom, and this I want a Dick. Then I really know we soon come.
Mommy, why you say that word here, Christian?
No, me don't mean this like that. Oh, well, let me alone, yeah, man.
I prank you. I'm sorry.
Leave me alone, me gone.
Mommy, Mommy,
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mommy, why you said that word? She gone. Oh God. Fun and joke aside, me I feel love the lady here. Like, how me not feel love my mother? No man. See my mother, you say once it wrong, my mother not put up with it. My mother not put up with no foolishness. Me really love that. Me know for the one real life situation, even though me would have drawn my mother in such a mess. But yo, me just love how she stay. Me just love how she will just split justice. Whether me go feel away or not, she go tell me the things them. Anyways, I'm gonna end off the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in Vlogmas day 16. Bye guys.